Do you live in a small space and you just don't have a lot of room to color? Maybe you live in an apartment, a retirement home, or you just have a bedroom. Hey there everyone, my name is Kat. Today we're diving into some ways you can enjoy coloring even if you live in a tiny apartment, you're in a retirement home, or you're anywhere with limited space. And whether you're a senior looking for a relaxing hobby or just someone who loves getting creative without needing a big desk, then this video is for you. We'll cover portable supplies, lap desks, and tips to make coloring easy and mess-free for you. Coloring can be so relaxing and rewarding. It brings you calmness and it boosts your mood. And it doesn't need much space or cleanup, really. You don't need a fancy art studio, just a corner of your couch, bed, or even a chair. And it's perfect for anyone, all ages, from seniors in retirement homes to folks in tiny little apartments. Plus, it's affordable, it's easy to pick up no matter what your age or your skill level, because basically, you really don't need any skills to start. I'll be showing you some products today, and they'll all be on Amazon's website. Today, I'm sharing with you some hacks to make coloring work in any small space so you can get creative without all the stress. First up, let's talk about portable supplies that will make your coloring a lot easier. You don't need a ton of stuff to color in. They have many coloring books that are pocket-sized, and those are great for grabbing when you just want to color for just a little bit. They're about the size of a phone. Some of them may be a little bit bigger. You can find ones with flowers, animals, simple patterns, perfect for adults, seniors, teenagers, any age, and they're easy to store in a drawer or a bag. And if you want to keep your colored pencils or your markers organized, you can also get a plastic case if you'd rather have the plastic case. Another way to store your colored pencils easily is to get a pencil roll-up bag. It simply rolls out when you're coloring. All of your pencils are organized, and then when you're finished, you just roll it up, and it saves so much space. And if you're in a small space, more than likely, you probably don't have a lot of good lighting. So that's where these little book lights come in. I have one of these myself. That way, if I'm sitting in a darker room, I can just put it on the edge of my coloring book or my little lap desk, and it works wonders. It's got 3 different settings on it. It's perfect to give you a little bit of extra light in that tiny space you're in. And another way to color without using up a lot of space, you can have a compact lap desk. I have one of these myself. It's handy just to color on a couch or take with me to another room, another chair. Well, this one's only about $13. I've got several different colors. It's got a handy little handle on top that you can carry it. And the little groove space here, I like to put maybe my cell phone in to hold it as I'm coloring. If you prefer to not have one of the lap tables, you can try one of these folding TV tables, which looks pretty handy. It's got storage here on the side that you could put extra coloring supplies in, and it folds up pretty flat that you could fold it up underneath your couch or a bed and have it out of the way if you live in a small space. And to save even more space in your tiny area, you can use one of these storage over the door organizers, and these are perfect because I've never seen any like these, in that they have a little clear compartment on there and there's a handle on each one. You can remove each bag separately so you can keep your art supplies in there, probably even your books, and when you're done, simply zip the bag back up and put it back on the door, and you've got everything neatly organized and you can see everything through the clear containers. So whether you're in a tiny apartment, a retirement home, or you're just sharing any type of living space where you just don't have a lot of space, you can still enjoy coloring and relax in this wonderful hobby. With just a few supplies, a lap desk, you can let your creativity shine, and there's no big space needed. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope these little hacks helped you if you're living in a tight space, because you still need to express yourself and be creative and have fun no matter where you are. And I'll see you in the next video.